Is your LG Smart TV turning on but only showing a black screen while sound still works? Don't worry, in the next few minutes I'll show you simple step-by-step fixes to bring your TV picture back without wasting money on repairs. Let's get started. Step 1. Check all cable connections. The very first thing you need to do is check all the cable connections on your LG TV. Unplug the HDMI cable, power cable, and any external devices that are connected to your TV. After removing them, reconnect each one firmly to make sure nothing is loose. Many times, a simple loose connection is the main reason behind a black screen, and properly securing the cables can quickly bring the picture back. Step 2. Restart your LG TV. If checking the cables doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to restart your TV, power off your LG TV, and unplug it from the wall socket. Wait for about 60 seconds to let the TV clear any minor glitches. After a minute, plug the power cable back in and switch on the TV. This simple restart often fixes temporary software or power-related issues that cause the screen to go black. Step 3. Adjust picture settings. Backlight. Sometimes the issue is not with the TV itself but with its picture settings. Using your remote, go to the settings menu, then open the picture options and look for brightness and backlight. If these levels are set too low, your screen may appear completely black. Increase both the brightness and backlight to a proper level and check if the display becomes visible again. Step 4. Perform a factory reset if issue persists. If none of the previous steps work, then performing a factory reset is the final option. On your remote, press the settings button, go to all settings, select the general tab, and choose reset to initial settings. Confirm the reset and your LG TV will restart as if it were brand new. This process refreshes the software and often resolves stubborn black screen issues caused by system glitches. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix the LG TV black screen issue at home. If the problem still continues, it may be a hardware issue that needs professional repair. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone facing the same problem. Thanks for watching.